Yo, what is up? Today is March the 2nd. I'm sorry that I did not post me trading on Monday. I don't trade Mondays because that's when I work my 9 to 5. So don't be expecting the video from me on Mondays. If I don't have 100% focus on my trading, then I'm not trading at all. That is my rule. And Tuesday, um, I did trade. I sadly did not post a video, but I was up 50 for the day. Sorry, I didn't have time to post a video. I was very busy. And Wednesday, I did not have 100% focus on my trading. I had to go get some shit done with my card. So, as I said, if I don't have 100% focus on my trading or sitting at my desktop or sitting at a computer that I'm able to watch and trade off my phone, I'm not trading. But here we are on Thursday, coming in for a good old day. This day was how I was trying to trade. I believe it was going to be a choppy market in the morning of the day, and my strategy doesn't really work with that in the with choppy markets. So I was very stagnant. I was very suspicious of a lot of moves in the morning. So I played how I played, quick scalps, 10% and above, baby. Um, Very good day, actually. So cannot complain at all. So let's just get straight into it. Only took two trades for the day. One was a 5 minute pre-market level. So on the demand zone, had a demand zone for the pre-market. As you can see, it got retested one time, shot all the way back up. Got retested a little bit on the pre-market, was still shooting back up. Um, as I said, for me in the beginning of the market, I kind of like to wait a little bit so I could see, what the fuck we want to do. And plus, there was also a demand of a supply zone here. I'm taking this box because we never use this box. I was just looking at something, but we did have a pretty close supply zone here. I would say on the 1 minute at least as well here. So it was very close. I didn't know what to decide yet. So as I said, if we break out of these two areas, then I'll probably get into a trade. But the way the market was moving during these zones, I kind of wanted to play it. And I just believe that we were going to jump off this supply zone for my second trade. So let's get straight into it. So I'm going to keep it quiet and simple. So let's just do it. So here we are on pre-market. Market opens. We're shooting up a little bit. 200 MA is getting shot down. I'm like, okay, we're going to wait. See what happens. Let's see if bears are in control of bulls. But this whole time, when market opens for a good 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, about 10 minutes. 10 minutes we're here just consolidating. You can see on the 5 minute, we're just here rejecting. And I got into this trade on this indecision candle here. Okay. And I was a little late. Sorry, I was a little late. But I just saw that we were just rejecting this off for 10 minutes straight. And there was a support level here. There was a demand zone. So there's a lot of confluences that's telling me, hey, yo, look, get into the trade. Got into the trade when we hit bottom here. And I got out at this top of the wick when we hit this resistance level. It was I believe a 10% gain. It was very quick because, as I said, I was playing very protective here. 50 MA was right next to this resistance level, so I'm just taking my profits and running away. Not here to hold. As I said, I didn't know what direction we wanted to go for pre-market because we were just basically chopping around, and plus also we did not make a lower low, so that's when I had a confluence like, oh, we're gonna jump up. But I just took it in for a quick scalp, let the market decide what it wants to do, just get some profits in already, just locked in. Why not, right? So quick 10%, not really worried, fine by me, happy with it, and ran off with some money, right? And so we shoot up. I'm like, oh, Could have got more out of the trade. Fine by me. Not really worried. And then here we go into the, and as you see, we're here coming up, and we're not making higher highs. When it was starting to happen, we went up, and we're not making higher highs. So I'm like, oh shit, we didn't make a higher high. We just basically hit a double top. Kind of worried what we're gonna see. Maybe it just needs a little bit more, a little bit more strength to go up. And so here we are. I'm waiting. I made a new demand zone off this 1 minute chart with high volume of buying. And I said, you know what, I'm gonna wait when it potentially can come back down. And see, when it comes to a key level to the market for this 393 high resistance level, the green is just for my pre-market levels. I tend to be very distant from that because it could be a fake breakout or it could be a full breakout. But as I said, I wanted to pick a direction. I wanted to break the pre-market lows or the pre-market highs one way or another, so we could justify that we are in a trend or not. As I said, my strategy does not work for choppy markets or sideways markets because I can get faked out a lot and I lose money with that. On February, I lost 2 days straight. I mean, not 2 days straight, but I lost 2 days in around the same week because I was getting faked out due to choppy markets. So what I do, it's best to not trade during choppy markets. Take what you can get and get on. And that's what I was doing for this whole day. Could I have got paid out way more if I would have stayed in? Yes, but as I said, I'm playing it safe, and I'd rather play it safe and consistent. It's just so I could, get my confidence up, get my capital up, and continue trading on. Simple. This is, we're building this slowly, and we're running with the show. Now, here we are. So come back up. Failed to break out. We failed to make new highs. We come back down. I said, okay, look, I want to get into a trade here. I want to get into a trade here when it comes back down to this demand zone because it was very high buying. And I said, we're already looking kind of bullish. Technically, we're already making a new high on the non-pre-market level. So I said, and we didn't make a new low. So I said, okay, we're looking kind of bullish, but I don't want to get trapped today. We're playing it safe, so on and so forth. So I said, okay, I'll come in for a quick scout. And that is exactly what we did. So basically, we are here and we come back down to this zone. We're in it. I'm like, oh snap, we might be able to blow off this, and that's fine by me. Now we have 2 zones here. We have one here and one here. See, and it's more justifiable because we're just having more buying pressure here than the one over here. Okay, so whatever. Here on the 5 minute, we reject this whole candle up, and we have a lot of rejection. 1, 2, 3, 4. Nice, some buyers are there, right? So we drop all the way down. We reject it. Nice. I said, okay, I'm gonna get in. I want to wait for price to go back down a little bit so it could wick down. Now get in so the price could possibly wick higher. And that's exactly what I did. Looking at the 5 minute, we start off here. We go all the way down. I'm like, okay, here we are, and I get in right here at this 50 MA line at 0.80. Got around here at this 50 MA line, and got in and got out at the top half of this wick. That was a 18 to like a 40-cent change. And that's it. That was my trades for the day. Not upset. As I said, quick scalps. We ended up making a new higher high, and then we broke down and just continue to trend up, which is fine by me. I'm not trying to have FOMO, so I'm not really worried about all that. We got in, we got out, and we came out green for the day. So why not be happy that we're consistent? Me personally, as of right now for this month of March, yes, I want to be profitable, yes. But what I'm really focused on is to be consistent with my trades. And I want to be consistent for the second month so I can raise my capital up by just a bit more, so I'm able to, for April, raise my risk management higher, so we could start becoming more confident, more consistent, and get into bigger trades with more risk on our hands. But these 2 months are just basically justifying my strategy and seeing what is the issue and what can be going around with my strategy that I do not know of yet. One of my faulties here is that choppy and sideways markets are not good for my strategy. So take what you can get. Other than that, my strategy seems to be doing pretty well, and I'm just gonna keep this simple strategy going on. Just keep on going with the same thing every single day for trading, not switching up, not doing anything. And we're just keep doing this until April, maybe halfway to March. I'm going to raise my risk up $50. So let's say right now at the moment I'm buying $200 contracts. I might raise up to $250 or potentially to $300 contracts, so we can continue trying out. Anyway, we rejected this off, came back for the retest, and got out on this pre-market. Got on this pre-market level here. Now, as you can see, we were rejected. It became a resistance support. So as I said, I'm not trying to dilly and dally and be here for a trade longer than 10 minutes. Okay, 5 to 10 minutes. Now, even though this move happened pretty quick, actually, matter of fact, I sold 1 second before this big pump, because at the moment it was looking like it was gonna have more consolidation. I don't really have time for that. I don't really want to be in trade for long. But that 1 second after I sold my contract, it got a big pump up and made a new higher high and was just going crazy. Now, I could have made a lot of money there, but I got out green either way, and I'm happy with that nonetheless. If I would have held it one more second, I probably would have got in and got 60% win. Fine by me. But we still came out green for the day. We're just focusing on consistency. And I have to keep reminding myself that, because I know myself and I will get greedy as fuck. So I'm being humble. But here we are. We got out of this resistance and we're done for the day. Seems like for the rest of the day, we were just playing off this trend here. Boom. Demand, chart up. Broke the band here, consolidated a bit, but still remain loyal to this demand zone here for the rest of the day and kept on shooting up. Other than that, we kind of got a big old pump at the end of the day at 35, so probably like 130, and shot up all the way to 397. So bulls are in charge, and we're back to these levels from yesterday from the pre-market. And now looks like we're going up, and then we're going back up to this 400 resistance level, the most psychological level for the market for these past few months. And that's basically it. Very simple. Tomorrow we're gonna come in with another day, and just continuing following this flow. Did good today. We're doing good for the month of March, for the beginning, for the first trading day. Hopefully. And I knowingly just keep being strict to my rules and keep being strict to my strategy, and I believe that we will be getting higher and higher with our capital and be more consistent. So I hope you guys enjoy this video. Pretty short one, not much to talk about here. Only took 2 trades today. Did pretty well today. I'm excited for tomorrow. And yeah, have a good one. Bye.